Okay, single arm kettlebell squat clean. This will typically only be an advanced movement. Intermediate, you may see it sometimes, but typically advanced. We've done it before, and we're just going to kind of break down the movement itself. I'm going to slow it down at first and break it into its two parts, which is a kettlebell clean and then a kettlebell squat. And then I'll kind of show you how to transition into it smooth. Either way is fine. If you're not comfortable transitioning quickly in and out of it, break it down into its two parts, get comfortable with it, and go from there. Remember with the kettlebell clean, okay, we're taking where our butt is down, our chest is up, and we're basically taking it and throwing it over the shoulder, okay? Tucking the elbow fast. The kettlebell should rotate around, not over top, okay? So by pulling it, the kettlebell should rotate. We don't want the thing up and flopping. Gonna hurt the wrist. We want it up and rotating. So real quick around the outside of the shoulder. So just to kind of show that is a stand and a rotate. See how it's rotating? It's not flopping. Stand, rotate around the outside of the shoulder, okay? It's not going smacking over top. Same thing with the other arm, butt down, rotating. Rotating, okay? So we want to keep that kettlebell just turning one way or the other, not going over top and falling down. Now, when you catch it, important thing to remember is we want our shelf. So we want to push, once that kettlebell rotates, elbow goes up, create a shelf for it, and then we squat, okay? It's going to be a lot of stress on the shoulder, and stress by stress, I just mean, your shoulder's getting a lot of work, and then a lot obviously on the oblique on that side. But essentially the kettlebell squat clean, taking a kettlebell to one side, squatting it, and then to the other side and squatting it. So in practice, what it looks like is this. Okay. That's the squat clean, quick transition version. Hopefully we can build to that, but we don't need to start there. The way we'll start is break it down into two different parts. So let's just start first, butt down, chest up, rotate the kettlebell, elbow up, and squat. No big deal. Switch arms, elbow up, and squat. That's the same thing. All right, there's no difference other than how fast I'm doing it. So when you're getting used to it, break it down into two movements. Do it like that. As you get more comfortable, we can just get right under it. That's fine too, okay? So either way, my suggestion, as I talked about, always start with the two-part version, clean, elbow up, set, squat, and then switch. And as you start to go, I'm smoked, out of breath in the tutorial. As always, start to get faster and faster and faster and start to catch that thing a little bit lower if you can each time. But that's what we're looking for, two parts, butt down, chest up. On the pull, tuck the elbow, let the kettlebell rotate to the outside, not over top. Elbow up, create that shelf, and then squat and stand, okay? Alternate side. Again, one side is going to be much harder than the other. That's okay. My left side is much harder to do it on than my right side. Keep practicing. The idea behind the kettlebells, the dumbbells, whatever, is you're going to build balance. That's kind of we want to use them and use them to our advantage. So try that one, see how it goes, and keep practicing. Whether you put them in a workout or not, always keep up with these types of things and just build that comfort in the movement.